What's up guys, here's Philip from Caliathletics. Today, because of the fact that lately I've spent a lot of time to learn for my mechanics and automatics exam, I discovered that I can easily prove you the best position for starting your deadlift, and today we're gonna take a closer look at this problem. If you want to know it by scientific approach, follow me. The most crucial thing in the starting position of the deadlift is the angle between the arm and the reactant force of our lats. So delta x, this is the distance of how much shift our shoulder have if it is in front of the barbell. And delta y, this is the distance from our shoulder to the attachment of the lats to our arm. And here we've got our phi, which is the angle. And here is the simple sine of phi graph, which will be more important lately to show you of how much does the angle influence on the force that we are exerting on the bar. MAC, this is the counterclockwise moment that the barbell exerts on our system, and MAB, this is the clockwise torque, so the moment arm that our lats will exert on the distance delta y. We must include here sine of phi, because knowing that this angle is the same as this angle inside here, when we notice that this distance, this height, is delta y times sine of phi. From Newton's first law, if we know that for the barbell to move from the ground with at least a constant velocity and no acceleration, the forces must be equal. So then this implies that the moments must be also equal. So the vector sum of the torques of the moment arms, which are clockwise and counterclockwise, should be 0. So here we can write that MAC, this is equal to MAB. We compare two torques and then we can find our F. We may assume that this is constant, but the crucial part here is the 1 over sine of phi. Our efficiency should be, like, the perfect one would be 100%. So the perfect efficiency would be if the energy out, so the energy we get, over the energy we must give to the process will be the same, so it will be 100%. So how do we get this? The force that we exert on the bar should be the lowest possible, because we don't want to put a lot of effort in the process, but we want to get the better results and we want to increase our efficiency. So we want to lift the weight with the smallest force possible. That is why we will use here the sine of phi, which will be equal 1, because by increasing and decreasing the angle, the sine of phi, it is decreasing. So then our force is simply increasing and our efficiency lowers. As you can see, this approach is very easy and uses the basic knowledge of physics and mechanics. So if you find it useful and maybe smart, try to use it on your trainings and let me know in the comments section or the private message how did it influence your gains. I will come with a couple of videos next, so stay tuned and see you soon.